Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 6 Natural Remedies for Bronchitis. Bronchitis is a diffuse inflammatory disease of the bronchi that affects the mucous membrane or the entire thickness of the bronchial wall. Damage and inflammation of the bronchial tree can arise as an independent, isolated process, primary bronchitis, or develop as a complication against the background of existing chronic diseases and transferred infections, secondary bronchitis. Damage to the mucosal epithelium of the bronchi disrupts the secretion, motor activity of the cilia and the process of cleaning the bronchi. Separate acute and chronic bronchitis, differing in etiology, pathogenesis and treatment. When bronchitis for help come funds from the arsenal of traditional medicine. Recipe 1. The infusion of the root of the Althea medicinal, 2 parts, the root of the licorice naked, 2 parts, the kidneys of the ordinary pine, 1 part, the sage leaf medicinal, 1 part, the fruits of the anise ordinary, 1 part, 1 tablespoon mixture. Pour overnight in a thermos. 1 cup of boiling water. In the morning, drain. Take 1 tablespoon 2-3 times a day. Recipe 2. Decoction of the rhizome of spring primrose, 1 tablespoon of dry crushed rhizome. Pour 1 cup of boiling water, heat 30 minutes in a boiling water bath, stirring occasionally. Cool at room temperature for 30 minutes, then strain. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day before meals. Recipe 3. Infusion of kidneys of Scotch pine, 40 grams, leaves of plantain large, 30 grams, leaves of mother and stepmother, 30 grams, 1 tablespoon of mixture. Pour overnight in a thermos with 1 glass of boiling water, drain in the morning. Drink 0.25 cup 3 times a day. Recipe 4. Thyme broth, 10 grams of herbs. Pour 1 cup of boiling water, heat on a water bath for 15 minutes. Cool for 45 minutes, drain, squeeze and bring the volume of liquid to 1 cup. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times 1 per day. Recipe 5. Infusion of horsetail field, 1 tablespoon chopped herbs. Brew 2 cups of boiling water, insist for 2-3 hours. Take 1 tablespoon 3-4 times a day. Recipe 6. Herb infusion of perennial, 2 teaspoons of herbs. Pour 1 cup boiling water, insist in a closed vessel for 2 hours, strain. Take 0.5 cup 3 times a day. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.